A very good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm not going to take any live trade because today I'm going to teach you how exactly Fibonacci retracement work. So today's session will be totally on Fibonacci. So let's start. Right now, as you can see, I am on the Euro USD. So let's switch to the 4-hour chart, not 4-hour chart, let's switch to the 15-minute chart, and let me show you how exactly Fibonacci retracement work. I'm going randomly back. Okay, so I will pick one area, from there I will show you like how Fibonacci retracement work. So as you can see, let me take this Fibonacci. Okay, so here we go. So this is the high and this is the low. So one thing I want to tell you before we start about the Fibonacci, like whenever I'm seeing in the downtrend, like price going like this, okay, so this is the peak high point. So price does this area and after that price is reversing. So what we have to do like in Fibonacci, we just find out the area. Like this is the area, like, so let me show you. Like this is the area from there to there, from this area to this area we marked a Fibonacci. And about the Fibonacci, 61.8% is the key area, and how exactly this key area is respecting. So as you can see, in this area, in this particular area, I have marked Fibonacci from this area to this area, and here is a 61.8. okay, now let me show you. So as you can see, price came down and after that price went up and exactly touched 61.8 area. Let me zoom out, then you will find out. So as you can see, price exactly touched this area, and we cannot blindly trust in 61.8. okay, because we just have to find out the exact area where the price has reversed, or just next to that we could find any support or resistance. So as you can see, in this 61.8, I can see this area acted as a resistance, so it is a very reliable to place a sell order in this area. So as you can see, price touched this area and reverse. This is how Fibonacci work, and this is not one time. Let me show you forward, like how this particular area, let me mark this first, this area, like how exactly this area working in, like in future. So as you can see, let's go forward. Okay, now I couldn't find anything because price totally went up. Alright, it came down, and see how nicely Fibonacci is working exact at this place. So as you can see, price break out this area, okay, and these two candles break out and exact 61.8, price take a resistance in this area and went down. So as you can see, this is not happened once, this happened twice, and here also. Let's move forward and find out. Okay, in front of your eyes, as you can see how exactly this area is working. If you are going to use Fibonacci, I would request you to please take your profit, which will be like, the take profit would be a neck retracement, which is 50. Whenever you are going to take any trade as per Fibonacci, I request you to please close your take profit at next retracement. This will be a very profitable trading. By this method you will earn around 60 to 70% win. This will be a very 60 to 70% winning ratio. So let me show you here also. As you can see, price went here to there. Okay, so this is a uptrend, so I have to look for the buy order. So what I will simply do, I will mark a Fibonacci here to here. So now 61.8, so this area, okay, this particular area. So let me mark this one. Alright, so this area previously acted as a resistance, and as I can see, price is broke out this area. So hopefully price will went down and touch this area, and boom, it will go up. So let's see in the future what happened. Okay, price breakout, couldn't went down. Alright, it's coming. Let's see now. Alright, it's coming. It's very interesting. Okay, as I told you, in front of your eyes, as you can see, price exact touch this place and boom, went up, and exact this nearest 50%, like next retracement, I took a profit and get out of the trade, and I find another trade. So this is how exactly Fibonacci work. So let me take you to the another pair and I will show you in front of you. We'll go back, and this is not exactly happen on particular 15 minutes, it's happen in all of the time frame. Let me switch to the 5 minute. Okay, it will help you out how exactly Fibonacci is working. So in this area, as you can see, price went up from this area to this area, this area to this area. Okay, so let's mark the Fibonacci from here to there. So I simply, what I did, I marked this Fibonacci here to here. Do you know why I have not placed here? Because this is the exact area I should place a Fibonacci, because it's touched all of the wicks, all of the upper wicks. So now find out 61.8. so as you can see, 61.8, it's not much reliable. So what I will do, I have to find the nearest, so this area. So as you can see, this particular area is a next retracement near to the 61. So what I will do, if the price will went down in this area, then I will place the buy order exact this line, because previously this area acted as a resistance. This is why I will going to place a buy order in this area. So let's find out how exactly this area it's working. Okay, price went up, it's moving. So alright, price couldn't come down, it's going upward. Okay, let's mark another one. In this area, as you can see, price went up. So not exact, this area acted as the resistance after breakout. So this is the place where I should mark a Fibonacci. So this area, I marked a Fibonacci. It couldn't surprise you. 61.8, not one, this is one, twice. But I would not suggest you to place order in this area, because this area acted as a previous resistance, and this is not a normal resistance, strong resistance, which is breakout by these various candles. So in 61.8%, as I can see, just next to this 61 point, I could see this area acted as a resistance. So this is why I would always place my buy order in this particular area, in this particular red line, and my take profit would be at nearest retracement, which is 50. So as you can see in front of your eyes how nicely this work. Let's switch to like forward. We will go forward and find out. Alright. As you can see, this area, you have seen there, exact this area acted as a support. So this is how Fibonacci exactly work. And one thing I would like to tell you, if you have placed a order, suppose you have placed a buy order here, and what will be your stop loss? I would always suggest you to please close your trade below 78.6%. I know this is much higher than like your take profit, but this will be very reliable. If the price is break out this area, then I would suggest you to please close this trade. Close your trade in loss. And you know, if you close one trade in loss, you will going to achieve around 7 to 8 profitable trade. I assure you this thing. This is how exactly Fibonacci work. So if you find anything, any problem, please write back to us, please comment me, and I will definitely try to solve your issue. If you find this video is very helpful to you, please like, subscribe and comment on this video, and I would suggest you please forward this video those who are really want to learn forex trading. So till now I have to say goodbye to you and take care. I will get back to you on Monday with new live video. Okay, thank you so much and goodbye.